Using 2D Advanced Grade, the operator uses the upper TD520 display. There is the System Status button that shows the machine does not have the 2 GPS receivers, but it does have the 2 ECMs, which are the Standard Assist and CAT grade control features. Bucket Attachment window shows which bucket is measured up, a 54-inch bucket. In Job Setup, a 2D job does not need a job loaded, but it will need a 2D depth and slope. The Licenses panel tells you all the licenses that are activated on the machine. Hit Start. At first, there is no depth, so enter one by pressing and hold the Target Grade button at the top of the screen. For this case, we entered -2 feet below a benchmark. Now set your benchmark by placing the bucket at a known reference point or stake. Press the Bench Set button at the lower left portion of the screen, and you'll see bench elevation success. Now you'll see on the home screen the 2-foot cut indicated from this point. As the bucket moves, the screen shows position in real time. With the bucket close to grade, the grade indicators turn green. Now that you've hit the desired grade, the display shows the bucket on grade and in various views. Another option with 2D Advanced is setting a section. In Target MAINFALL, if you go to Sections, there are no sections currently. We need to make a section. Select Add. Now you can draw it, use the attachment, or use a template. We're going to use the bucket. Move your bucket and set an origin. Draw a line, add a point, once completed, save the section. We have just created this section just by moving the bucket. Select it and apply it. You can see the section as a design using only 2D Advanced. For more information, consult your Operation and Maintenance Manual or contact your local CAT dealer.